class we have completed till page number 37, right? Previous class we have completed till page number 37. First we will stop today page number 38. Page number 38. Good morning all of you, beta. Here Ketu has made some patterns by collecting leaves. Today have you leaves and make pattern? Beta, page number 38 open all of you. Look, these are guava leaves, right? Please all of you follow me. These are the guava leaves. I have collected some leaves. Okay, I have collected some leaves and we will make pattern with the help of these leaves. Okay, and these are the mango. These are the mango leaves. Okay, these are the mango leaves. Okay, and listen all of you. Here is in page number 38. I have shown some pattern with the help of leaves. Few leaves have taken and make pattern with the help of that leaves. Okay. So we will make another pattern with the help of mango leaves and guava leaves. Okay. Let's start now. Please all of you follow me, and you all will keep your maths notebook with you. You all please check your maths notebook also. Today we will practice few maths in our notebook. Okay. Ketu has made some patterns by collecting leaves. These are the pattern. This is another one leaf and there are the two type of leaves, and make the pattern. Here is a one leaf and using one type of leaves and make the different patterns. It's like a flower. Okay. Here is a place is given over here and instructed that now you also collect some leaves and arrange them in different patterns. Now you also can collect some leaves. I already collected two type of leaves, guava leaves and mango leaves, and make leaves and arrange them in different. We will arrange the leaves in different patterns and also draw pattern using matchstick. Okay, I am not take the matchstick. Okay, just you will using the matchstick. You will make some pattern and draw in your notebook. Okay, here please draw. You all will draw how the leaf will arrange, how I will make the pattern. These are the mango leaves. Look, suppose this is leaf, this is the head, and if I tell this is the head, top, and this is the bottom. Okay, top and bottom. Here this is the top and bottom. Okay, so one mango leaf and one guava leaf. You can make a pattern in this way also. One mango, one guava, one mango and one guava. Okay. In this way you can make a pattern. Please all of you draw in blank space. Okay. One mango leaf I will draw and one guava leaf. Again mango leaf, and I cannot hold all this. One mango, one guava, one mango, one guava. In this way you just make the pattern. Okay. Please draw. This is the mango leaves and this is the guava leaves. Mango leaves and guava leaves. In this way you just make the mango leaves and this is the guava leaves is like that, little bit round type shape. This is the mango leaf and this is the guava leaf. Okay, please draw here. Draw here. All of you please draw over here. One mango, one guava. Now we can arrange in another way also. Two leaves in this manner and all the mango leaves, okay. Two leaves top here and the two leaves top in down, okay. This is the another pattern. Two leaves you up, down in this manner, okay. This is the another pattern. You can make this pattern in this way. All are mango leaf, two mango leaves in this. This is the one, number 2. Two in this way and two in this head in down. Understood beta? Again, two up, head up, two head is down. Okay, in this way, this is another pattern. Please, all of you. Okay, Kaushik, very good. You can collect the leaves and you can paste in your notebook also in the different manner. You can make it, and using the matchstick also, you will collect the matchstick and make some different pattern, okay, in your, and paste it in your notebook also. Draw over here, and in your notebook you will collect leaves and paste in the different, you will arrange the leaves in the different manner, okay. Next, you can make in this way also in guava leaf, this and this, in this manner you can make this way also, okay. All of you please follow me. This is another pattern. Again, two leaves in this manner, in this way. This is the pattern. Please, all of you, guava leaf. This is the guava leaf. You can make the pattern in this way, okay. This is the pattern, okay, all of you. Please, I want to see the chat. Chat is not come. Chat. Number 3. In this way, this is the guava leaf. This is some round type shape. Okay. This is the guava leaf. 2 guava leaves in this manner. Again, 2 guava leaves in this manner. Who can't see? Do you have any problem, beta? Devushmita? Disconnect and connect. Connect again if you have the problem. Okay. Now you can make this pattern in this way also. This round type shape guava leaves. Okay. This is the pattern. Okay. Done. 3 type of patterns. Please draw in your book, and in your notebook you will collect some leaves and make pattern. Arrange the leaves in different pattern and paste in your notebook and collect the matchstick. Using the matchstick also you can make the different lots of patterns. Okay. Okay. Who can't do it? Lisa, what happened beta? Why you can't do? You will collect leaves and you can paste in your notebook in the different manner. Okay. Now, you all please open your math notebook. You all please open your notebook. We can make that in this way also. One more pattern you can make. Look, in this way also you can arrange the leaf. Pattern. This is the pattern. You can make the pattern in this way. 4 leaves, it's like a flower. Here, this is the leaf. This is the pattern. You can make this pattern like a flower using the leaf. Using the leaves you can make pattern. Again 4 leaves you can make. You can make the pattern in this way like a flower. Okay. In this way also you can make. Okay. Next, please all of you take out your math notebook. Deboshmita, why beta we cannot see? Others can see to me beta. Please reply. Others can follow me or not? Otherwise I can't understand who have the problem. If Deboshmita, maybe your network problem. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, fine. Next, all of you please take out your math notebook and follow me. Draw the pictures that comes next in each growing pattern. Okay? So write the heading first, all of you. Very good. Start now. Draw the picture that comes next in each growing patterns. Draw the picture that comes next in each growing pattern. Okay. Now this is number 1A. 1A. Here 2 square, 2 small square, and the next pattern here 2 will be 4. 2 increase. First 2, then 4, then here is next 2 more, that it will be 6. It is the growing pattern. Here is 6, 2, then 4, then 6. Then what will be the next? Then what will be the next? Deboshmita, you disconnect yourself and connect again. Okay. 2, 4, 6. Then what will be the next? 8. Yes, very good. 8 circle, 8 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the here, please draw 8. All of you, Deboshmita, very good. Oshmit, Sujan, very good. 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Please draw. What happened, Kaushik? Shrestha, 8 squares. Yes, 2 squares, then 4 squares, 6 squares, then 8 squares, then 8 squares. Okay? Yes, okay. Sudeshna, Lisa, Shrestha, very good all of you. Next math. Number B. Next number B. This is the pattern. This is the rectangle and then one circle. Yes, please draw 8 squares in the blank portion. First is one rectangle and one circle. In the next pattern, one rectangle, same rectangle, rectangle will be same, okay, and one circle, and the next one rectangle and two circle, and the next one rectangle, one rectangle and three circle, circular increasing, okay. Then what will be the next? What will be the next? Here one circle, one rectangle, one circle, and one rectangle, two circle, one rectangle, three circle. Then next will be one rectangle and four circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. One rectangle and four circle. Understood? Yes. One rectangle. Good. Very good. Very good, all of you. One rectangle, one circle, one rectangle, two circle, one rectangle, three circle, and the next will be one rectangle, four circle. In a one gap, show one. If another gap will be there, then you will do one rectangle, five circle, because it is growing patterns. Okay, growing patterns. Okay, Shamriddha. Okay, very good. Oshmi, very good. Lisa, very good. Shrestha, very good. Okay, can I wrap the board? I hope you have completed. Now next 3. Here, this is the pattern number C. Okay, here, like this, diamond shape, okay. And now, in the diamond, to another in this way, please draw, then it will be easy. 3 part, and this side also you just make like this. Please follow me. Here 1, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like that. First one is like that. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Here is increasing 2 and 2. 1 will be there, then this side 2 and this side also 2. 5. Next, like that. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here this like that. All of you please follow me and solve it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here if it is 1, then this two side 2 and 2 increase. Here each side 2, 2, 2, 2. Here is 1, 1, 1, 1 increase. Here 2, 2, 2, 2. All the side, 4 sides. And then next will be Shrestha, okay, and next will be, this is the blank. Next will be here 3, 3. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 13, 4, increase 4, 1, then 4, 5, 9, then 9, 13, okay, 9 will be 13, yes, okay, this like that, here 1, for all the side 1, 1, 1, 1 increase, here this is a diamond and all the fourth side 2, 2, 2, 2 increase, and this is and all the side 3, 3, 3, 3 increase, that means 1, 5, 4 increase, then 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, yes, yes Resta, okay, very good. Now, next, this is number D, number D. Here, one circle in the square in this manner, one circle, this is the square, here 2 circle and there is another square, here it is very easy, here is 3 inside the square, 3 circle, and what will be the next? This is the square, here already 3, 4, here 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle and here 4 circles, okay, 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 very good. Next, another topic. Okay, then we will solve few complete the number patterns. Number 2, complete the number patterns. Number A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then 3 gap, that 1, 7, that means which pattern followed? Plus 3 plus 2, 5, that means 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, yes, that means followed here plus 2 plus 2. Next, number B, you all know 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and what will be the next 3? 2 plus 2, here also plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. Yes, very good, Sudeshna, Samritho, very good. Number C, 24, 34, 44, 54. What will be the next 3? Here, which pattern followed over here? 24 plus 10, 34, 34 plus 10, 44, 44 plus 10, 54, 54 plus 10, 64, 64 plus 10, 74, and 74 plus 10, 74 plus 10, 84. And now, this is the last one, number D, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Then what will be the next 3? Here followed 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. Okay. Today this much. See you next class. Thank you.